Hello everyone, my name is Aarti and you're watching HW News. The Narcotics Control Bureau's cruise drug bust and arrest of high-profile passengers including Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan is increasingly coming under cloud of suspicion. 2 days ago, NCP leader Nawab Malik had exposed the person behind viral selfie that was clicked with Aryan Khan on the day of the raid. He had said that in the NCB raid, 2 private persons were also involved. One of them was Kiran Gosavi, a private detective and who is also wanted by Pune police in a fraud case. Another person is Manish Bhanushali, who is a BJP functionary. Both of them can be seen in the videos holding the hands of Arbaz Merchant while he is being brought to the NCB office along with Aryan Khan. Nawab Malik questioned how were the private citizens allowed to accompany the NCB officials when they were raiding the Cordelia cruise. Today, in yet another sensational allegation, NCP leader Nawab Malik claimed that the NCB conducted the raid to target SRK's son and that detainees having links with the BJP were let off by the NCB on the day of the raid. The latest stream of allegations raise important questions on the NCB functioning and also on Officer Samir Wankhede, who is at the helm of these raids. Let us discuss this in today's video, but before that, media that believes in truth needs your support. If you wish to support us, please go to website, click on the support on the topmost toolbar and select the plan that you want to take up and subscribe to us. Your support means a lot to us because that will help us grow this community that believes in true journalism. Now let us talk about the story at the hand. NCP leader Nawab Malik today addressed a press conference. He said after the NCB raid, Officer Samir Wankhede said that 8 to 10 people were detained in the drug bust. This is what he claimed in front of reporters. Now Nawab Malik questioned why was the officer so vague about the number of detainees. He further claimed that NCB had in fact detained 11 people. However, 3 among them were let off by the agency. The 3 were seen in several footages entering the NCB office on the day of the raid. However, they were also seen coming out of the office along with some other persons on the same night. Nawab Malik said that the 3 persons were Rishabh Sachdeva, Pratik Gaba and Amir Furniturewala. He alleged one of the 3 released has a connection with the BJP leader and that calls were made from center to state to ensure his release. Malik said Rishabh Sachdeva is a brother-in-law of Mohit Bhartiya, a former chief of the Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha, the youth wing of the Bharatiya Janata Party, and Furniturewala and Pratik Gaba invited Aryan Khan at this cruise party. He also showed scores of photos in which Rishabh Sachdeva is seen along with Mohit Bhartiya and pictures of Mohit Bhartiya with several senior BJP functionaries including former Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis. He was also seen receiving an award from the President. Let us hear what Nawab Malik said.
एनसीबी बताए अगर 1300 लोगों में 11 ही लोगों को डिटेन किया गया तो 3 लोगों को क्यों छोड़ा? हम मांग करते हैं कि श्री वानखेड़े इसका खुलासा तत्काल रूप से करें। क्या कारण था कि 1300 लोगों में से इन 3 लोगों को भी लाया गया? और क्या जांच पूरी हो गई कि 3 लोगों को छोड़ दिया गया? पूरी जांच का जो है व्हाट्सएप चैट के ऊपर जांच आगे बढ़ रही है। क्या यह 3 लोगों के फ़ोन लिए उन्होंने देखा? ये सारा जो भी क्रूज का छापेमारी का काम है ये पूरी तरह से फर्जीवाड़ा है। प्लान किया गया कुछ सेलिब्रिटीज़ को बुलाने का, प्लान किया गया खबरें बनाने का और प्लान करके ही लोगों को फंसाया गया है। ये सच्चाई है। वो अपना न्यायालय में निर्दोष हैं कि गुनहगार सिद्ध करेंगे। आज हमारा इतना ही सवाल है कि ये 3 लोगों के बारे में एनसीबी बताए लाया क्यों, छोड़ा क्यों, किसके कहने पे छोड़ा गया। और हम तो मुंबई और महाराष्ट्र की पुलिस से भी मांग करेंगे कि इन सभी के कॉल डिटेल निकाले जाएं। समीर वानखेड़े के भी कॉल डिटेल निकाले जाएं। और जब 3 लोग डिटेन किए गए जिन्हें छोड़ा गया, उनके परिवार के 2 चाचा और उनके पिताजी कैसे एनसीबी ऑफिस में गए, हमें शंका है कि उनके पिताजी के फ़ोन से समीर वानखेड़े की दिल्ली और महाराष्ट्र के भारतीय जनता पार्टी के नेताओं के बीच में बात हुई है और निश्चित रूप से कॉल डिटेल सामने आएगी तो सारा पकड़ने से लेके छोड़ने तक का जो भी सच्चाई है लोगों के सामने आएगी।
Nawab Malik said that it was Rishabh, Prateek and Amir who had invited Aryan Khan to the party. He also questioned how only these three were let go by the NCB on the day of the raid. Malik said that the entire raid seemed like a setup to trap Aryan Khan and it is an attempt to defame the Bollywood and Mahavikas Aghadi government in the state. He alleged it is a conspiracy of the BJP and NCB is being used for it. Malik also demanded a probe in the call records of Sameer Wankhede, the officer at the helm, to check if there is a call history between him and the senior BJP leaders at the centre or the state. When asked whether the state government will launch an independent probe in this, Nawab Malik said that Mumbai Police Anti-Narcotics Cell should conduct an independent investigation into this entire matter. He said that he will also write to the Chief Minister and if required, an inquiry commission should be set up to probe the raids. He also questioned how the agency picked up only 11 people out of 1,300 on board the cruise and why did it not check all of them. Now after all of this, what did the NCB say? Soon after Malik's statement, NCB announced that they would address these claims in a press conference. Deputy Director General Gyaneshwar Singh has now refuted all the claims made by Nawab Malik. He has said that 14 people were detained at the day of the party and 6 were let go because there was no incriminating evidence found against them. He said that those 6 people will be called for questioning if the need arises. He also mentioned that 9 independent witnesses were involved in the case and the identity of each witness was not known to the agency until 2nd of October. He further clarified that the NCB does not make arrest based on caste, religion or political party of a person. We arrest people on the basis of evidence, Gyaneshwar Singh said. He also ended his press conference by saying that they cannot name more people in the case since it is an ongoing investigation and that the agency had nothing to say as far as the statements of independent witnesses or goes. Well, do let us know what you think about this in the comment box below. For more news and updates, you can log on to www.hwnews.in.